Brains and Wins proudly presents How to Make Money with AI. An AI company that is run properly can make thousands of dollars a month, and you would be surprised at how little it actually costs to operate. Investigate these AI freelance and money-making opportunities. Without a doubt, following these recommendations will increase your monthly income. Content creation. Content writing can be a profitable profession or that pays the bills. You can earn money writing quickly as long as you are consistent in your improvement, make intelligent use of AI, and earn money. Freelance as a digital marketer. As a digital marketer, you can use AI tools right now to give your clients better outcomes faster. Businesses are looking for ways to reach their target audience and boost sales, so this is a lucrative opportunity. Social media video editing. For many brands and influencers, producing interesting social media videos is a crucial approach. A lot of this work can be automated with AI video editing tools. AI video editing tools can automate much of this process. They can analyze your footage, select the best parts, and add effects and transitions. This allows you to create high-quality social media videos in a fraction of the time. Make music and background tracks. Composing music or sound effects for films, video games, or other media requires creativity. AI tools enable you to compose the ideal track for any project by producing music in a variety of genres and moods. Website SEO services. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is a difficult process that entails making a website more search engine friendly. Artificial intelligence, AI, SEO tools can aid in this process. In a much shorter amount of time, they can track performance, optimize content, and carry out keyword research. There is a great need for SEO services. Making this a lucrative opportunity can help generate more traffic and revenue. Artificial intelligence for web design. A well-designed website can draw in more visitors, hold their attention longer, and encourage purchases. AI produces beautiful designs, drafts copy for landing pages, and generally eases the burden of creating a website from the ground up. The creation and maintenance of websites is made simple by the abundance of AI plugins and website builders. Therefore, don't consider AI to be a shortcut if you're considering using it to generate revenue. Consider it an opportunity to advance. Consider it an opportunity to improve productivity, customer service, and overall impact. Thanks for watching Brains and Wins. We'll see you soon in another informative video.